Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be talking about NIO and why I actually think NIO stock has a good chance of doubling from here and probably even more. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investment journey together. So today we're going to be talking about NIO, and basically it's going to be a stock prediction for NIO, why I think NIO stock can actually double from here. As you guys know, NIO has been seeing a lot of heat recently, and it's been getting a lot of attention. If you guys don't know what NIO stock actually does, they produce luxury EV cars. It's a company that's based out of China that basically does what Tesla does. But guys, looking at the 5-year chart here, stock currently up 798% ever since its IPO 2 years ago. As you guys know, NIO has probably been around for about 4 years now. Looking at the 1-year chart, guys, this thing is up 2,184%. I've said this time and time again that I do think NIO is the biggest growth stock of 2020. It has seen a lot of attention, and it's been able to grow so much. If I were to tell people that this stock basically went from $3 all the way to $54 at the beginning of the year, most people probably wouldn't even believe it. But guys, you know, NIO is doing a great job of growing. It's doing a great job of expanding. Looking at the 3-month chart, guys, it's up 213%. And guys, the last 1 month, that is up 93%. And as you guys know, I've said this time and time again, NIO stock is severely undervalued right now at $53.92. I know a lot of people are starting to rotate out of NIO. They're kind of starting to pick up more EV companies and stuff like that. But guys, I do not recommend anyone rotate out of NIO just yet. Guys, there's still so much growth for this company. There's still so much growth to be done for NIO as a company in itself. As you guys know, NIO in itself has so much going for it right now that a lot of people aren't really comprehending the amount of growth that NIO is going to be sustaining here in the next couple of years, guys. First things first, guys, it's the whole bullish sentiment behind the EV industry and NIO as a company in itself. As you guys know, the EV market is starting to mature, and EV in itself has more demand than it did 15 years ago. So when Tesla was first founded back in 2003, guys, it did not see a lot of success at first. Why? Because there was no demand for EV cars back then, right? Compared to now, though, a lot of people are looking for EV companies to take us into the future, guys. Battery power is going to be a very strong thing, followed by the bullish sentiment, guys, that NIO stock is always getting. As you guys know, even over the past couple of days, guys, NIO even got a couple of more buy ratings. It's always getting analyst upgrades as well. As you guys know, JP Morgan tripled its analyst upgrade from $14 to $40, and it has a bunch of big-time companies, Bank of America, stuff like that, behind this company who do think that this stock is going to be growing for a very long time. As well, guys, you do have bears on the stock as well, like Goldman Sachs and other big-time investors who are also bearish on the stock, right? So Goldman Sachs still has the stock rated at $7, and it's rated as a sell. I don't agree with Goldman Sachs, and yes, they're a big company, but guys, NIO in itself has experienced so much growth, and it's still going to be growing for a very long time. And why do I think this, guys? If you guys took a look at NIO's earnings were more than fantastic, guys. As you guys can see, their revenue is starting to grow and their losses are starting to decrease, right? And, by the next quarter, guys, NIO's expecting $960 million in revenue. That's just absolutely insane for a company that's only been around for 4 years, right? The market cap in itself is growing more and more every single day. As you guys know, NIO is now evaluated bigger than General Motors, guys, a big-time company that's been around for a very long time and that's been selling cars for a very long time. Over the past couple of months, guys, NIO has been consistently beating its delivery estimates, right? What does that mean for the stock itself? It means that, people are putting expectations for how many cars that NIO is going to sell, and NIO is beating these margins not by small percentages, guys. It's almost by double or triple. In September, October, they beat their delivery estimates, and their overall earnings were very, very good, guys. So this is why I think right now is a very good time to buy NIO stock at $53.92. I do think this stock is severely undervalued. But guys, I'm not done yet. NIO still has a lot more stuff going for it, right? As you guys know, NIO's dropping 2 new sedans to compete with Tesla's Model 3. And why is this important? As you guys know, Tesla is starting to make its way in China. It's starting to sell a lot of cars in China, right? So this is NIO's biggest competition right now, I would have to say, especially because NIO's trying to expand and is trying to get more cars on the road. Tesla being a more established company, right? It's going to be tough, right? But NIO is doing a very good job of selling a lot more vehicles than people are expecting it to. And as you guys know, if you've taken a look inside the NIO vehicles, they're very luxurious and they're very high tech. Even analysts saying that NIO is going to be an iconic brand and the technology they offer is second to none, guys. So I have a good feeling that NIO is going to be growing a lot here in the next couple of months. As you guys know, we also have NIO Day coming up. It's going to be a big day for NIO. A lot of people are expecting a lot of great things from NIO on that day. They're basically going to be unveiling all sorts of new vehicles. Basically, what's to come for the company in itself. Like I said, guys, NIO still has so much more room to grow. Like I said, from here, this stock can only double. I don't think NIO's done growing yet. And the amount of growth that NIO's starting to sustain right now, it just started to reach the pinnacle of its growth. And I know people are skeptical. I know people are scared to buy the stock at $53.92. I know people are saying it may be a little bit too expensive, but guys, you know, when you're investing, you guys have to be looking at the long term. If I'm still rating NIO a buy at $54, I know that the stock in itself still has so much more room to grow. And I know the stock is not done growing yet, especially for what NIO has going for it, guys. You know, like I said, all the bullish sentiment, a bunch of analyst upgrades. They're doing great on their earnings. They're selling more cars. They're producing more cars, guys. They're working on self-driving chips, and they're also dropping a bigger and better battery. I mean, guys, everything that NIO needs to do, it's doing it, and it's already starting to expand, guys. As you guys know, NIO, as stated, based out of China, is already expanding to Europe. Hopefully one day, guys, it's going to be expanding to the United States. NIO is doing a great job of growing the company. It's doing a great job of expanding, giving people what they want with bigger and better batteries, more choices of cars, better and more luxurious features, using technology to its advantage. As you guys know, in 2020, we have some advanced technology, guys, and NIO's taking advantage of this. So if NIO is to expand to the United States, it's going to be huge for the stock itself. Guys, my price prediction, my overall price prediction on NIO stock, I think this stock will be $300 in 2 years. Like, I know it's a big call, and obviously everything I say in my videos, guys, is not financial advice. It's just my opinion. But guys, you have to pick up NIO stock at $53.92. It is worth the investment, guys. The company still has so much more room to grow. And like I said, my price target for this stock is $300 minimum, because the company is on track to be the next Tesla. It's doing fantastic, guys. And the fact that the company's only been around for 4 years and it's already grown this much, bigger than General Motors in 4 years alone, guys, is a big accomplishment. It's a big accomplishment for NIO. And like I said, guys, NIO has just started to grow. As you guys know, the EV market now is starting to mature. So imagine within the next 5 to 10 years, guys, what's going to be in stock for NIO. NIO, guys, is a huge growth stock. It is the best company to invest in 2020, guys. With that being said, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of NIO stock. Do you think NIO stock will one day be $300? Are you guys invested in NIO? And if you guys are invested in NIO, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.